Hi everyone, I wanted to talk through some things about Word that I have recently learned, and one of those is that the spell checking and grammar checking is turned off by default, and this is one of the features that you definitely want to use. So the way to do that, to fix that, is in Word, click on the Review tab up here, and in the Review tab, in the Language group, you want to click the list arrow here on Language and select Set Proofing Language. And this is default English, but there's this checkbox down here that says Do not check spelling or grammar. And I'm discovering that many of the assignments I get have this checked. So it's not looking for grammar or spelling errors. So you want to uncheck that so that Word will check for spelling and grammar. The other thing to set up is in the File tab up here. Scroll down to the bottom to Options, and then on the options here, click Proofing, and scroll down here to the bottom to the Grammar. And you can check the settings box here and see all the things that the grammar checking can look for. And really you want most of these to be checked. You're trying to write in formal academic language, and so most of these things are things you'd want to not have in your writing. So once you've set that, you can click OK, and those settings then will apply to all the documents you write in Word until you change them again.